Hello everyone, it's Isaac Ewosho, your instructor for English 102 W65 Spring 2024. In this video, I'm going to review Module 1, Week 1. Right now, you're looking at our course shell, Blackboard, for this class. A critical tab you want to go to is the Syllabus and Schedule tab. This is where you find information about the policy of this class, and also the work schedule, the course calendar. So notice what happens when I click on the Syllabus and Schedule tab. You're brought to the Syllabus and Course Calendar page. So once you click on this folder, you'll be able to access the syllabus and the course calendar. So this is what I'm going to do after I click on this folder. Because I already have it open on my screen, I'm just going to go straight into it, the document. So right now you're looking at the course calendar for English 102 W65 Spring 2024. Make sure you preview the course calendar to know my expectations and also to see what's ahead. Now, in saying this, I'm not giving you permission to start doing whatever work you think you can do. For instance, you should start from week 1 before jumping to week 2. As a matter of fact, you won't be able to access contents in week 2, 3, 4, and so on and so forth unless you complete the items right under this column. So I have organized it this way, and I found out that it works. It's only once in a while that I have students who just want to jump through the weeks and complete one work. No, I didn't organize my class that way. Things are organized according to due dates, things are organized according to the week, and you will take it one step at a time. If you want to go ahead of the class, feel free to reach out to me. But if you reach out to me and you haven't completed Module 1 and you want to complete Module 4 or 3, I'm going to say no, because I pay attention to the work my students do and I try to be fair to them. Learning this class is a process. You are not going to rush through it. If you want to rush through it, you have to demonstrate that you've learned or completed other modules and other tasks and responsibilities. So in week 1, you will notice that we have topics and themes. This is the way everything else is outlined. So in week 1, we are going to be doing introductions. And for us to complete that, you are going to complete the discussion board post, which is your autobiographical profile. You get to read my autobiographical profile, you get to write one for yourself, you get to read your peers in this class autobiographical profile, and you get to respond to their profile as well. It's graded, and I think that's a good way to start the class because there's going to be a group project, and this is one way to open up, to get to know your peers, and then of course get to know your instructor as well. So that's important. We will cover the topic plagiarism, and you can watch the items. I will go over learning modules so you can have access to other supplementary items I posted on Blackboard on our course shell. So there are specific readings, videos for you to watch, and when we cover the class theme, of course you will go into the folder for week 1 and watch the items that I posted there. Now I must state, as I've put in this footnote, that everything else you've seen, and also if you look up over here, just because I have weekly task assignments and readings posted in this column does not mean that this covers everything you need to learn. There will be supplementary items on Blackboard, but I try to post key reading or learning materials in the column so that it gets your attention. So this is, I don't want to overwhelm the course calendar by putting in everything that you need to learn, all the videos you need to watch. That's not to say it's a lot of work, because it's possible that you may watch 1 or 2 videos that you don't understand, and you can take a look at the supplementary videos I posted to sharpen, to enhance your understanding. So as I've mentioned, we are going to watch feedback. We're going to learn about feedback and writing attitude. Then you respond to the feedback and writing posts. And of course, there's a syllabus quiz and introductory survey for you to complete. Now, where do you find all of this? Let's go into our course shell to look at how I've organized your learning materials. So we are going to go into learning modules. You will notice I have a video here. This is to help you navigate through the learning modules. So this means I'm not going to be going over how I've organized the learning modules, because in this short video, which is not up to 5 minutes, I explain how you can understand that. So to begin, you are going to click on Start here, Course Orientation, then Module Assignments, and you can see the course orientations, submissions. So all the submissions that you need to complete for week 1, particularly have the Statement of Understanding and Syllabus Quiz and the Intro Survey, it's going to be turned in under the course submissions. Now we are going to go into Learning Modules tab again, and you will notice that in week 1 is where we have Introduction, Course Orientation, and you've got the class theme, feedback, and writing attitude. So once I click on this folder, watch what happens. I'm able to access contents here. But another way to get into course materials, into module activities, is to click on Course Materials tab over here. But I won't do that because I want to focus on module. So this is everything you'll be learning in week 1. As I mentioned a while ago, there is a folder for critical thinking. That would cover items that I think are helpful. Let's go into it just to show you what I mean. I may post a few videos here. There's a folder for academic writing and research, and that covers the theme of the class. And there's another folder for literary analysis. That's to give you some understanding of it. Now, plagiarism, you can watch the video. This covers the theme of the class. I will go over it, not now, but during my course orientation. You should watch the video. And of course, there's another link that will bring you to the course orientation submissions, so you can turn in the syllabus quiz and the Statement of Understanding. Now, once you've seen what you need to turn in for week 1, you need to know what you need to do. And you know what you need to do by looking at the assignment instructions. So another way you can be sure you understand what I want you to submit is to go into the course orientation submissions. Click on each document. Notice it's a Word document, and make sure you respond to it. Now you cannot see these items because I have access to this. You're looking at the teacher view, but you are supposed to respond to these submissions by completing the questions on these documents posted here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I want to repeat again that you are to go into the Learning Modules tab. Make sure you understand what I am asking you to do, and do not get confused or lost as you navigate our course show. But if that should ever happen at all, know that I have thought about it. That's the first question I get from students. How do I find X? How do I find Y? Well, I've given you some pointers. I've recorded a video, so everything you've seen by even watching this video should help you get settled in this class. It's possible that I may be missing some links. If you, in that case, you want to reach out to me. So that concludes my review of Module 1, Week 1. I look forward to reading your autobiographical profile and getting to know you as a student. I look forward to seeing your interest survey. Get started, guys. I'm sure we will get in touch later in the semester. Bye-bye.